All right, good morning, guys. We're out here in Harbor View. It's a Beezer home community here in Myrtle Beach, technically Horry County. Today, we're doing a 24 kW, and me and Devin are going to rock, paper, scissors for the electrical and the gas. So, ready? 1, 2, 3, shoot. Ah, what are you doing?
Electrical.
Let's get to it. Oh, by the way, sorry I'm not wearing a work shirt. Apparently, I have a nasty habit of not putting them from the washer to the dryer.
We come to work in our work shirts to advertise. And
I forgot to put it in the dryer.